So Branded Surveys is one of my all-time favorite paid survey platforms out there. But it's honestly been a couple of years since I reviewed it on this channel, and guys, so much has changed with Branded Surveys. And so today I thought I'd make a quick update to this Branded Surveys review to cover exactly what these changes are, why they matter, and how you can potentially leverage them to maximize your earnings with this platform. And stick around because I'll also be sharing one super important tip that all Branded Surveys users need to know in this video. And at the end of the video, I'll be sharing some amazing alternatives as well that work globally. You don't want to miss this one. Let's get to it. But really quickly, guys, just a little disclaimer like I put in these videos. Everything I'm sharing in this one is based on my personal testing and research and experience as a Branded Surveys user myself. Results aren't guaranteed. This can't let you quit your day job. Please have realistic expectations. And with that in mind, let's get on to these Branded Survey changes. So really quickly, just a refresher in case you're new here, Branded Surveys is a popular paid survey platform where you can basically sign up, answer surveys, and earn rewards in exchange for your opinion. It's available in the United States, Canada, and UK right now. You sign up for free with your email, and then you get a nice 100-point welcome bonus once you become a member. Now, I've been using Branded Surveys for years. It's one of my favorite paid survey websites, and I used it a ton back in college when I was a student. And honestly, it has a really good UI, it has a mobile app, the survey rates are very competitive, and the reward variety is also excellent. And I've always liked it because you only need $5 to request a reward, which is pretty low and decent for the paid survey space. Like I said, I have a review on this channel that shares exactly how it used to work. It has my payment proof in there as well, but overall, Branded Surveys has always been a top tier survey site. But now it has some massive changes that I want to cover really quickly because this has definitely shaken things up and increased the potential. So let me cover the changes right now. So guys, the first change to Branded Surveys is its introduction of games and offers. And guys, this is honestly the biggest change. It is what has really shaken up Branded Surveys and turned it from just a survey site into more of a get paid to platform. And so Branded Surveys now lets you download apps, complete offers, and play games to earn more points, which kind of makes it similar to websites like Free Cash and Scrambly. But yeah, you basically go to the offers section, you can click or tap on offers, and it will expand all of the requirements you need to complete to begin earning from that offer. And honestly, the gaming offers in particular are pretty decent. You'll find lots of different game genres, some pretty decent payouts. And again, you can basically click on an offer if it interests you, figure out the steps you need to complete, and then earn rewards as you complete those steps. Now, I will say platforms like Free Cash and Scrambly, they still have more gaming offers, and I think the gaming offers are a little bit better than Branded Surveys, but it is cool to see that they're introducing this to the platform. However, Branded Surveys also has some pretty decent sign-up bonus offers or different offers you can earn by basically signing up for different trials or services. I mean, you can find plenty of offers where you earn points for trying out banking apps, investing apps, crypto exchanges, subscriptions, free trials, you name it. And there's also some pretty decent ones, like you can earn 10,000 points, for example, just for opening a free SoFi investing account and placing a trade, which is pretty neat. And I even found some other smaller and easy to complete offers, like this one in my account that legitimately pays you just for downloading and opening the TikTok app if you're not on TikTok yet. Again, I think this is a pretty exciting change for Branded Surveys because now you have more earning variety than just answering surveys. I still think some of Branded Surveys competitors like Free Cash or Cash Kick or Scrambly do have some better offers. So again, it always makes sense to just compare the offer rates between these GPT platforms so you're maximizing your earnings. And on that note, I actually just built a tool called hustlebuddy.me, so I definitely recommend checking it out because it will help you compare the top rates from the top GPT companies so you can find the best offers for a week to make sure you're earning as much as possible. And it has tons of other valuable side hustle information on it as well, so I'll put it in the description box, but if you guys want to help support me, you can go check out hustlebuddy.me. And I think you guys will really like the new tool. But anyways, guys, the second major change coming to Branded Surveys is its introduction of a leaderboard system. And so Branded Surveys now has a weekly leaderboard system where you earn bonuses if you're a top earning member. You only have to complete one survey a week to be eligible for this, and the top 100 members with the most survey completions each week earn points. Now, first place gets 100 points currently, and second place gets 50 points, and then the points kind of diminish as you go lower down the leaderboard. And I will say this is honestly a little bit lackluster. I love that Branded Surveys is adding a leaderboard system, but other GPT websites have like 500 daily leaderboards and $5,000 monthly leaderboards if we're using Free Cash as an example. So I think Branded Surveys is cheapening out a little bit here. I love that they're adding this, but hopefully the payouts increase the longer this leaderboard contest runs. Now, okay guys, the third thing I wanted to mention, it's not really a change, but I wanted to just mention it and jog your memory because I think it's awesome, and that's Branded Surveys Branded Elite program. In my opinion, Branded Surveys still has one of the best loyalty programs in the entire paid survey space. So if you like grinding out surveys and you want to maximize your rewards, I definitely recommend taking this into consideration. And so the Branded Elite program lets you earn a 5% weekly bonus in the bronze tier, all the way up to 19% bonuses in the gold tier if you answer enough surveys in a given week. And so again, if you're answering surveys every day on your lunch break or while you're watching TV or before bed and just chilling around the house, try doing it through Branded Surveys, because once you qualify for the Branded Elite program, you'll get a very nice boost in your points for basically no extra effort. Alright guys, and the fourth and final change I wanted to cover really quickly is that Branded Surveys has also made some changes to its referral program. So you can invite friends to join Branded Surveys using your invite link. You both receive reward points when your friend earns a silver badge, and then both of you are rewarded more points when your friend reaches a gold badge. And so basically this is a new multi-tiered referral system where you can both earn bonuses, and it's kind of contingent on the person you inviting to Branded Surveys earning rewards themselves. Honestly, I like this change, and I like that the person you invite can also earn bonuses now, so it is a win-win scenario. It's a little confusing at first, but if you read the referral page, it will make sense. And again, it's nice that both people are now earning bonuses. And so guys, those are the major changes and updates with Branded Surveys, and that kind of leads me to my next question. Is this platform better now, or is it worse? And honestly, I think Branded Surveys is now better, and there's a few reasons for that. And the first reason is that Branded Surveys still has a very good UI, the mobile app works great, and the survey rates are still competitive, and it has that Branded Elite program. So if you're just interested in paid surveys, really not much has changed, and it's still an excellent platform, in my opinion. Now, surveys aside, I really like that Branded Surveys is branching into gaming offers and download offers and sign-up bonuses and things like that. I do think competitors like Free Cash and Scrambly have better payouts on average, but it's nice that Branded Surveys is just adding more ways to earn, and I think it's going in the right direction. I'm really not that impressed by the leaderboard, so I hope this is something they improve over time, because right now it honestly is just really not that impressive. But overall, I'm a fan of these changes, and again, I think Branded Surveys is kind of evolving with the times, which is nice to see. And so, who should sign up for Branded Surveys if you're not currently using it? Well, really, if you like answering surveys for money, I still think this is one of the best platforms out there because of that Branded Elite loyalty program. If you also want to mix in some occasional bonus offers, like signing up for a checking account, trying out a budgeting app, or just signing up for some kind of app or free trial, I think Branded Surveys is decent as well. Now, if paid surveys aren't your thing and you just want to find the best gaming offers out there, I don't think Branded Surveys is going to be your #1 choice at this time. Again, if you want to find some of the best arbitrage opportunities and bonus opportunities in the GPT space, you can visit Hustle Buddy. I'll put it in the description as well, because our team is going to basically look through all of the top GPT sites every single week, outline the best offers so you guys can find the platforms that are paying the most for a given week. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with these changes. I think Branded Surveys is making some exciting moves in the paid survey and GPT space, so I'm going to keep on using it, I'm going to keep on testing it, and it still remains one of my favorite paid survey companies out there. But like I mentioned in the intro, I want to wrap up this video with some good global alternatives you can use just in case Branded Surveys isn't available where you live. And so first up, like I already mentioned, is Free Cash. This is one of the most popular GPT platforms in the entire world, and if you like gaming offers in particular, you should definitely check it out. Hey Cash is another one, and this is basically similar to Free Cash, except I think the survey offers are a little bit better than Free Cash, and again, it's available in dozens of countries. Scrambly is another one that you can use if you live in the United States. I love Scrambly. I have an updated review video on it as well. I've earned a lot with Scrambly over the years. I think it's fantastic. It doesn't have surveys, but it has excellent gaming and bonus offers. And finally, there's Prime Opinion. This is a very popular global survey panel, so if you like answering surveys, but Branded Surveys isn't available in your country, you can check out Prime Opinion. But anyways, guys, that does it for this updated Branded Surveys review. I hope it has been helpful if you're wondering about the changes or you're wondering if Branded Surveys is right for you. Hopefully this video helps you out. I'd also love to know from you guys, have you used Branded Surveys in the past? What do you think about these changes? Does this make you more excited or less excited? You can let me know down in the comments. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for the support. It really does mean a lot. I hope you all have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.